Hey guys, my name is Christian and I'm one of the co-founders here at Alpha Tribe. This is our 5-minute lightning tutorial for Slack to give you an idea of how the platform works. We have a longer video that goes more in depth into its functionality, but we wanted to give you guys a little head start so you understand exactly how this thing works. Thanks for joining. We're excited to see you out there. Let us know if you have any questions. Welcome to the Alpha Tribe Slack channel. You'll know you're in the right place because it'll say Alpha Tribe here in the top left, and you'll see our gold logo on the green background, little icon in the top left as well. The first thing that you should do is, if you haven't already, download the desktop application for Slack. You should also download the mobile application. It's much better to use these as their standalone apps rather than in a browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. So make sure you download the apps. You can find them just by Googling, download Slack app, or in one of the links in our community. The first thing you should do is scroll all the way down and go to the Slack bot. You should have an automated message that got sent to you when you entered the Slack instance. Read this from start to finish. It's going to have a lot of really important information that's going to help kind of guide you towards getting started. And then we're going to walk through a little bit together right here and right now. The first thing that you'll notice is you get automatically added to a number of different channels. These are pre-populated for you. There are more channels available, so don't feel like you're limited by what you're auto added to. We have prefixes for our channels. The bases are for specific cities. So join a base if you're located in a city and you want to connect with other veterans who are near you. We have general chat channels. We have job and career specific channels. This is where, if you need help with your resume, you'll come into the job resume help channel and post, hey, I need help with my resume. Can somebody, help me out? So try to keep your communication specific to the channel. That's going to be really helpful as we keep everything organized. We also have channels for, specific branches of the military, or, if you want a channel specifically for your unit or a ship or a squadron that you were a part of, feel free to create that. All you have to do is go to add channels right here, and from here you can browse channels. This is gonna show you all of the channels that are available today. You can search for them. If you're consulting, we have vet consultants, and you can join this here. If you don't see what you need, you can always create a channel by coming here and pressing create new channel. You can name it. So if it's base and you're located in Virginia, something like this, you can create this and then make it either public or private. If you make it public, that means anybody will be able to join. If you make it private, it means you need to invite people to join. That's the only way they're going to be able to get in. Next you have direct messages. So the channels are for communication with a broad group of people. Generally, if it's more than 7 people as part of a discussion, it needs to go into a channel. But then if you want to just direct message somebody individually or a small group of people, you can just come down here to the direct messages and hit the plus, find whoever you want to chat with, and then just hit enter. So if you want to chat to Paul, I'll click on his name, or you can type it in and hit enter, and boom, here is where you can send him a message. I sent myself some messages before this, so we can just kind of review how that works really quickly. So this is like a message I sent to myself, and then I sent a GIF. These are great ways of communicating or using nonverbal communication with your peers. You can also add emojis. And then important to, if you want to respond to something somebody says, you can reply in thread by hitting this little button, the comment button with like the little lines through it, and then actually write something here. And it'll thread the message, and this will kind of keep everything, kind of all the discussion related to this first post. Great way of keeping things organized rather than creating this huge running list of different chats. Lastly, if you right click somebody, let's say somebody you talk to a lot and you want to kind of, they're starting to get lost in your DMs or your channels, you can right click them, start conversation, and that's going to pull them up here so that everything's going to kind of live at the top, so it'll be easy to find. And that's basically it. Feel free to message your buddies, create channels. If you need help, find the right channel. post in it, engage with the community, and we're excited to see you out there. Let us know if you have any questions, and welcome to Alpha Tribe.